Hello. Today we're going to dive into something we experience every day, weather and climate. You might use these words interchangeably, but they actually have very different meanings. Understanding the difference is super important for understanding our world, from planning your weekend to understanding global changes. So, what exactly is weather? Weather is what's happening in the atmosphere right now or over a short period. It's the conditions we experience daily. Think of it as the atmosphere's current mood. Weather includes things like temperature, is it hot or cold? Precipitation, is it raining, snowing, or hailing? Is it calm or windy? Is it sunny, cloudy, or partly cloudy? And humidity, how much moisture is in the air. Weather can change very quickly. You might start the day with sunshine and end up with a thunderstorm. Meteorologists are scientists who study weather and try to predict it. Now let's talk about climate. While weather is short-term, climate is the long-term average of weather conditions in a specific region. It's the typical weather pattern over many years, even centuries. Think of it as the atmosphere's personality. Climate tells us what kind of weather to expect in a certain place. For example, a desert climate is typically hot and dry. A tropical climate is usually warm and humid. An Arctic climate is generally cold and icy. Many factors influence our daily weather. These include the sun, that provides energy that drives the weather pattern, air pressure, which is differences in air pressure that create winds, humidity, the amount of water vapor in air affects the likelihood of rain or snow, wind, which moves heat and moisture around the earth, and ocean currents that distribute the heat. Several factors determine a region's climate. First, latitude, how far a place is from the equator. Places near the equator are generally warmer. Altitude, how high a place is above sea level. Higher altitudes are generally colder. Distance from the ocean. Coastal areas tend to have milder climates than inland areas. Ocean currents, like the Gulf Stream, can bring warm water and warmer temperatures to some areas. And the Earth's tilt, which is what gives us, here on Earth, our seasons. Understanding weather helps us plan our daily activities, like whether to wear a coat or bring an umbrella. Understanding climate is crucial for knowing what crops we can grow in this location and what type of structures we need to build so they can withstand the typical weather. So the next time you check the forecast or think about what to wear, remember the difference between weather and climate. They're both important parts of our world, and understanding them helps us make sense of our environment and the changes happening around us. Thank you for watching.